Content-based filtering is an approach used in recommender systems to suggest items to users. This method relies on the properties of items and the preferences shown by a user. A recommender system employing content-based filtering makes predictions based on analyzing the features and characteristics of items that a user has previously interacted with, and then recommends items that share similar attributes. How content-based filtering works. Item feature extraction. The first step involves extracting a set of attributes or features for each item in the system. This process includes identifying specific keywords, descriptions, characteristics, or other identifying metadata that relate directly to the item. User profile construction. A user profile is created based on past interactions or ratings given by the user. This profile encapsulates the user's tastes and preferences by analyzing the features of the items the user has already expressed interest in. Profile matching. The system then compares the user's profile with the attribute profiles of items that are available, but yet to be interacted with. This comparison helps to identify and recommend items that have high similarity scores when matched to the user's preferences. Recommendation generation. Based on the user profile matching, the system generates a list of items that are likely to align with the user's preferences. These recommendations are presented to the user as personal suggestions. Advantages of content-based filtering. Personalization. The system offers personalized recommendations as it constantly adapts to the user's evolving preferences with each interaction. No need for data from other users. Unlike collaborative filtering, content-based filtering does not rely on the data or preferences of other users. Hence, it can make recommendations even when few users have rated the items. Dynamic updating. Recommendations can be updated immediately after a user interacts with a new item, ensuring the system remains responsive to the user's current interests. Limitations of content-based filtering. Limited to known attributes. The accuracy of recommendations relies heavily on the quality and extensiveness of the attributes and features extracted from items. If certain important attributes are omitted, the system's effectiveness can be reduced. Over-specialization. It might recommend items that are too similar to those the user has already interacted with, thus lacking in diversity and potentially failing to introduce the user to new kinds of items. Cold start. Problem: when new items are added to the system, they can only be recommended if their attributes align with the known preferences of existing user profiles, delaying exposure until further data is gathered. Use case examples. Media recommendations. Platforms like Spotify or Netflix use content-based filtering by analyzing the characteristics of songs, movies, or shows that a user has liked to recommend similar content. E-commerce. Sites like Amazon might use this approach to suggest products based on the attributes of items a user has previously viewed or purchased. Content-based filtering is a powerful technique within the domain of recommender systems, offering targeted and user-centric recommendations by leveraging item attributes and user preferences. It is most effective when combined with other methods, such as collaborative filtering, to address its limitations and enhance overall recommendation quality.